Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video we are going to add anchor peers to our HLF network. So if you remember, we have 4 peers in our network and 2 peers belongs to each organization. So right now the idea is to make at least one peer as the anchor peer in the organization. So I will be going to make this peer, which is org1-peer1, as the anchor peer, and similarly for the second organization I'm going to make the org2-peer1 as the anchor peer. And also I will be adding more stuff to this diagram as we proceed to the lectures. So now let's jump into the terminal, and from there and let's try to create the anchor peers. So now we are in the terminal, and now let's quickly create the anchor peers. So first I will mark the org1-peer1 as the anchor peer. So let me put up the command. So this is the command, which is kubectl hlf channel and then add anchor peer. Then specify the name of the channel. Then specify your connection profile, which is network-config.yaml in our case. Then specify the user who is going to make these transactions. And then we specify the peer. So here I'm specifying the peer as org1-peer1 in .fabric because they are in the fabric namespace. Let me hit enter. So it got added to the anchor peer. Now let's quickly see the logs of this peer as well. So for this, I'm going to open my lens ID, and this was the peer. Let me check the logs of this. So we can see one block was committed with the transaction. So our transaction was successful. And now let's make the other peer as the anchor peer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply change this org1 to org2, and the rest of the things seems fine to us. So we can just hit enter. So here we can see that our org2 peer 1 is also added as anchor peer, and these anchor peers are used for inter-org communication. So between org1 and org2, to set up the communication between these organizations, we have to use the anchor peers. So that's why we created 2 anchor peers, so that we can have the proper communication between these organizations. So this was pretty much it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.